Hi, I'm Sheena and I'm here to talk about lemongrass. Lemongrass or tanglad as it is locally called here in Philippines is usually grown in warm, temperate and tropical regions. It is also known as a backyard plant because it's easy to grow and can usually grow anywhere in a good soil. The scientific name of lemongrass is Cymbopogon citratus. Lemongrass is a member of species of grass that grows to as high as 1 meter with leaves of 1 to 1.5 centimeters in width that grows from the stalk about 30 to 80 centimeters long with bulbous lower end. Propagation is by dividing the root clumps. Lemongrass is widely popular as a spice of various culinary and food preparation, and it's also popular for its aromatic citrus flavor, which is widely used as a variety of Asian cuisines. Lemongrass is also used as a herbal medicine for gastrointestinal problems, stomach aches, diarrhea, bowel spasm, vomiting, the fever, flu, and headaches. Taken as tea, 1 cup every 8 hours. The tea is prepared by boiling about 10 leaves in 2 cups of water, adding sugar to taste and a slice of ginger. The lemongrass oil mixed with another essential oil such as coconut oil is used as liniment for back pains, rheumatisms, neuralgias, sprains, and other body pains. Lemongrass oil has a fruity citrus scent that is widely used as a fragrances for soaps, moisturizers, deodorant, and cleansers. And it is also used as an insect repellent. I hope through this video you may be able to learn what are the uses of lemongrass. Have a good day and thank you for watching.